guys, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. This is a super quick video. I didn't think I'd be filming. So I got my Glossybox PR last week and the video went up, which I'll link here. And I got the Truth box because it's the two different boxes this month, like the Masquerade. And I thought my subscription, my paid for box, I thought it had run out, but it hasn't. So I just opened this and it is the secret one, so it's the other one. I thought I would really quickly just come on and show you guys and give it away, because I always give away the one that I pay for myself. I give away. I'm not allowed to give away my PR one. I have to keep that. I'm very lucky to keep that, and it's just very lovely of Glossybox to send me them, and I super appreciate it. But the one that I paid for with my own money, I can give away to you guys. So this is going to be a really short giveaway. I'm literally going to pick a winner on Halloween. So you get the mask, and then I'm not even going to open the actual box because it's literally the same as the other one, apart from one item, which is a stress check clean hands gel. So you get everything the same as the other one. I'll link that other video. So you get a Josephine Cosmetics lipstick in the colour Tiffany, which I can confirm is one of the comfiest lipsticks I've ever worn in my life, and it lasted beautifully. Then you get a Spotlight Ico highlighter pencil, a Saint Luxe setting mist, a Boob Tube Grab Your Melons body lotion, and then you get the This Works Stress Check Clean Hands gel. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and tell you guys that I've got it and to do a giveaway, and I wanted it to be a super fast video so you can just watch it and enter the giveaway basically. I want to know, what is your favourite ever? There's two, you can do two things. You can do one comment or one or the other. You can either tell me your favourite ever Halloween horror film, or you can either tell me your favourite Halloween costume that you've worn. And if you feel like putting a little story about your Halloween costume, that'll be amazing, because I love Halloween. It's what my whole aesthetic and what I love is based on, basically. So I would love to hear it. And I don't personally watch horror films because I am a wiener. I have watched them, I just don't like watching them. But I love, like, the Addams Family, The Craft, oh, The Craft, I love The Craft so much. Hocus Pocus, Practical Magic, all of those are just, I love them all so much. My little girls are 6 and 7 and they've watched Hocus Pocus and the Addams Family. I think they're a little bit young for Practical Magic, and they're definitely too young for The Craft. But one day, I cannot wait to sit down and watch it with them. So yeah, let me know. Favourite Halloween horror witch movie, or favourite Halloween costume. Pop them down below. I'll leave all the instructions down below and the rules. Be subscribed, like the video. Yeah, good luck. I'll pick a winner on Halloween at 5 o'clock. Love you, bye.